In this video, I am going to show you how to navigate the homepage of 1of10.com. You can find the link of 1of10.com site on the link in the description. 1. Categories section. Navigate through various niches, explore videos sorted into specific categories like tech, art, entertainment, and more. Detailed browsing, which each category offers a curated selection of videos related to its respective niche, providing you with a diverse range of content to explore. Click on category of your choice to dive deeper into the content available within that particular niche. Search bar. Utilize the search bar to input specific keywords or phrases related to your interest. The search feature retrieves videos matching your search criteria, enabling you to find content tailored to your preferences. Enter a keyword or phrase relevant to the type of videos you're interested in. Keep an eye for featured or recommended content. These featured videos may include trending topics, popular uploads, or noteworthy content curated by the platform. And that's it, guys. See us on the next videos to explore more about the 1of10 video finder. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.